Hi everyone, this is Sunshine Annie. How's everyone doing this week? Well, this is how my November 12th through the 18th DIY composition book planner came out. And this is the beginning of November 19th to the 25th. I'm sorry I didn't get to show more of this online as I did it, but had a little bit of an emergency and had to take a trip to the emergency vet for my pug because she started having something like a seizure. Sorry about that. I have stuff falling around me as I speak. Just the way life's going right now. Yeah, she had something that seemed like a seizure at around 11 o'clock. Actually, yeah, around then. My husband was away because we think it was her peed in our bed last night. So we had to clean everything, including our comforters that are too big for our washing machine. So he ran to the laundromat to get that done. And I was washing the rest of the laundry here. And I'd sat down and all of a sudden she started doing this weird head thing. So, yeah. And we're pretty sure it was a seizure, but we aren't 100% sure. The emergency vet wasn't sure either. They did blood work, they monitored her, and we just decided that we would bring her home and monitor her at home. My husband will be with her tomorrow, and hopefully it was just a one-off. I am going to put some stickers on. So very thankful. I'm going to use the pumpkin one because you know what? I need pumpkins in my life. I just love them. Love everything to do with pumpkins. I just kind of copy what I did over here but I didn't with the colors. I bought some new washi and you know, I think it coordinates fine. I did keep these ones the same and I'm going to keep some of the stickers as close to being the same as I can. All right, so that's what that's going to look like. A Monday is going to be a normal work day. Oh, we are making vegetarian chili. On Wednesday, we have no school. And we will be doing our Thanksgiving prep because Thanksgiving is at our house. Thursday is Thanksgiving. And Friday is rest day. We also have a vet appointment on Tuesday afternoon. And for my goals, I need to keep making healthy choices. Keep putting it out there for myself. Drinking lots of water. Being more active. And keeping a positive mindset. So this is what the spread's going to look like. I put in the stickers and the washi tape. I just want to say thank you to everyone who is subscribing and who's liked my videos and who's been so kind. I am truly thankful for you and I appreciate your watching and subscribing. I hope you have a blessed Thanksgiving. Thank you.